You're struggling on YouTube, you're posting videos but not getting the views and subscribers you deserve. Maybe your content isn't getting discovered. Maybe your watch time is too low for the algorithm to push you. Or maybe you're doing everything right but still not seeing the results. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Most small creators hit the wall and never break through. But what if I told you there's a system designed to get you to 100,000 subscribers and monetized fast? The truth is, YouTube doesn't reward random videos. It rewards systems that keep viewers engaged. The key to growth is understanding how the algorithm actually works. Watch time and retention. If people don't stick around, your content won't get pushed. Engagement signals. Likes, comments, and shares. YouTube watches everything. Content clusters and momentum. So one viral video isn't enough. You need sticking strategies to keep the momentum going. Most people focus on views, but views don't make you money. Attention does. We've tested and perfected a system that turns small YouTube channels into powerhouses. We call it the viral engine method, and this is how it works. Content stacking. Instead of making random videos, we create a series that hooks your audience and builds authority. Audience targeting. We engineer viral content based on proven demands. Monetization first approach. Now, what is the point of views if you are not making money? We help you monetize from day one. This exact process has helped our clients scale to over 100,000 subscribers and 10K a month in revenue. We have helped creators go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in months. Some of our students are hitting 5, 10, and even 20K a month with YouTube monetization and offers. One of our clients applied this system and got monetized in just 30 days. Now you can keep grinding and hoping things will work out, or you can follow a proven system that actually works. If you are serious about growing your YouTube channel and turning it into a business, book a call with us right now. We'll break down your channel and show you exactly what is holding you back and map out a custom strategy to help you scale fast. Click the link below, book a time, and let's make 2025 the year your channel explodes. You've seen what is possible. Now it's up to you. Do you keep struggling or do you build a YouTube empire? The choice is up to you. So book a call now and we'll get your viral engine on the track to success.